Hello, guys. I hope that all of you doing great. Well, when everything was going for the toss, in fact, the Bitcoin touching below $16,000 and was staying onto that uh, price. Suddenly, today we happen to witness little bit of price jump within the Bitcoin. So it almost touched like it gained $1,000 in value, and it touched $17,000. But more than anything, like some of the great projects out there, for example, Ren, literally rallied 20% in these times, and it was actually on the path of really bad decline. Why? Because of the FTX catastrophe. A lot of projects were suffering, including this great project called Ren. But that's where the good news came, the slight good news in these times. CZ Binance, came out with this particular tweet. As you can see, it is just 2 hours back, that to reduce the further cascading negative effects of the FTX, Binance is forming an industry recovery funds to help projects who are otherwise strong but in a liquidity crisis. More details to come soon, and they can apply via the Binance lab if you think that you can qualify. So that the news itself like literally pumped the Bitcoin. Why? Because a lot of projects are really doing a great thing, but because of this liquidity crisis and because of this sudden downfall of the FTX, obviously things are dependent onto each other, right? You never know, like a third biggest exchange out there within the crypto market would turn out to be one of the worst apple. So Ren project, for example, literally rallied 20% right after this tweet. Right after this tweet, it will rally 20% and staying there, because it reached 7.8 cents, 7.4 cents, even 7 cents. It never reached that bottom before, and even during this bear market, during these times, it reached up till 23 cents. And it is expected to be a great project in the future, with so much billions and billions of dollars of transactions done onto its platform. But right after the news, obviously it was understood if CZ Binance is going to help Ren, the project's kind of Ren quality will be the first one to get the help. So literally the rally went, and this is a great move, guys, because I believe right now CZ is in the best position amongst all the other people, all the other companies. CZ, with the biggest exchange out there in the world, with the most transparent sort of a thing. And obviously when they are sparking something like that of FTX, obviously they understand that probably they are doing the right thing. Nobody is going to point out the same mistake that they themselves are doing. So I personally have my assets onto the Binance exchange, and again, if you have not signed up onto the Binance exchange, this would be one of the best exchange, the biggest exchange, and it will be here to survive. And in the meantime, if you want to even get a chance to qualify for one full Bitcoin giveaway, you can just click on the link down below. That's our referral link to sign up onto the Binance. You purchase the first cryptocurrency. After sign up, you qualify for one Bitcoin full Bitcoin giveaway, the lucky draw that we are going to draw after every 1,000 referral. That means you can keep on qualifying over and over. The lucky draw will be done over and over. We'll just leave a short video by the end of this video. Now, having said that, now what is Binance Lab? If you try to see through the link of Binance Lab, basically this is a service launched by the Binance, where they are actually helping a lot of projects that is upcoming, right? A lot of projects that probably have a great vision, probably are forming the team, and obviously they would need the fund. And more than the fund, just imagine, like, if you are actually planning for the Web3 startups and planning to look to build in these times, even if you get a slight amount of sum from an exchange like Binance Labs happens to support you, you now have a great authentication certificate from Binance Lab that they have funded you. Now you can literally go on for the big VCs who can literally fund your dreams. Why? Because they would be interested into funding something that has been endorsed by Binance Lab. And apart from that, even the help given by Binance Lab would be great enough. As you can see, 200 projects have already been helped with 3 years into opening the Binance Labs. So great initiative by CZ Binance, and I would really I'm really impressed to see something like this. Why? Because obviously some of the projects are really doing good, guys. So we would not want them to die down just because of somebody else's mistake, or probably just because they happen to have some liquidity crisis and a lot of other things because of the FTX collapse. So great initiative, have to be appreciated. And at the same time, guys, one of the lessons that is for all of us, that no matter what, even let's say FTX would not have collapsed, even if somebody dumped $2 billion or $1 billion of token, only if they were doing the right practices. So what is the learning lesson for us? We need to be genuinely value provider when we are trying to do the thing. We need to be genuinely try to do the best of ethics. Do not try to manipulate things here and there, the leveraging thing without the investors' knowledge. If you're trying to do that, that was the cause of the collapse, not CZ Binance dumping. Because even if CZ Binance would have dumped the token, it would have jumped, it would have been a buying opportunity for the other people. It would have jumped right back up. But because they were misusing, doing one of the biggest fraud by leverage trading the other people's money, obviously something like this had to happen one day. So that's one of the lesson. Now coming again back onto the investment perspective, guys, I can understand the kind of turmoil that everyone is going through, that we all have gone through these turmoil, and literally it seems as if there is no backing from here. Like everyone is literally, I can, if I see this Wall Street chart, you might have seen it earlier, like which stage are we right now at. Obviously I believe probably the last time we saw that $18,000, and that was anger and then a slight bit of rally, or something, all these things happening. And right now I believe we are almost somewhere around like the capitulation phase, or it has been done, and disbelief that my retirement money has gone, right? Something like this is happening. So what is the point that I'm trying to say is that if you have not sold it yet, if you have not capitulated it yet, probably did not take the top profit at any point so far, probably this is not the right time, guys, to get out of the market. Just leave your portfolio as it is. Just leave your portfolio as it is. If you have invested into the project that you believe in, that is going to survive till the next bull market, and that is the key. You need to stay in the game. Right now would be the one of the worst decision to get out. Why? Because they might be a little more worse from here, but eventually if crypto is to survive, probably a year down the line, 2 year down the line, this would be one of the most regretful decision to be selling off. And especially I'm telling it to my audience. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. And thanks a lot for tuning in. Smash the like button, comment down below what's your opinion onto this, and till then I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code, you will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.